Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. I need to show you something. So I am peeling the egg, and I found it is so fun. I need to show you. So you have an egg, boiled egg, and then cover it up with a little bit of water. So easy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. A little bit not so good. Okay, I will do it again. These two at a time. Uh-oh, a little bit of, it is more fun that I fail in front of your eyes. This is even better. I have done. Before I make video, I got everyone perfect. Now I'm making the video and it decide to show me that I am not so good. Do you want me to lose face? Oh, this is so funny. Gosh, they bully me in front of camera. They bully me. Oh, this one is perfect. See? Perfect. Look at it. Perfect. And this one, last one. Look at it. Haha, look at it. This is a good one. I think it depends on the egg also. The brown egg seems to have a stronger shell, and the white egg has a less stronger shell. Maybe that is the reason. Anyway, there is more than just the surface, right? Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Guru guru bye 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 bye.